I'm Louisa Holland with Autodesk Enterprise Priority Support, and this is your Connected BIM News. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Collaboration Month here with your Enterprise Priority team. Below this video, you will find a link to a listing of Collaboration Month activities. You'll find information on live events in Australia and Asia, as well as webinars and industry articles. Use hashtag Collaboration Month to tag your social media and help spread the word. Today we're airing my exclusive interview with Chris Aquino, Premium Support Specialist, Architect, and Chief of Medicine at the Revit Clinic blog. Chris will be answering my questions on one of Autodesk's fastest growing collaboration tools, Collaboration for Revit, also known as C4R. Chris, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
First off, for those who don't know, what is Collaboration for Revit?
Well, first things first, it's the realest way to connect project teams in disparate locations, allowing them to collaborate in Revit models in real time using the cloud.
So is this something that's built right into Revit?
For versions earlier than 2017, yep. For 2017 and 2018 moving forward, it'll be built in.
Cool. So who can use Collaboration for Revit?
Understandably, I'm a bit biased, but I really think that everybody can get a benefit out of C4R. I can see it used from, large-scale projects like towers in West Philadelphia, or even smaller-scale projects like mansions in Bel Air.
Absolutely. What are some considerations when starting up a project in C4R?
I think there's a couple of considerations. I think the first one and the biggest one is being comfortable working in the cloud and sort of understanding how that operates, moving files through the web. And then also, considering how it impacts or changes your archiving and backup solution.
So how does C4R affect the Revit workflow?
Well, initially we designed the workflow to be as close as the existing work sharing workflow, with the file just being hosted in the cloud. When we're designing the software, we understand that if we came in like a wrecking ball and drastically changed users' workflow, not only would they not use it, but we would really start to sow some bad blood with them.
So for existing Revit users, there isn't a big learning curve?
If you're familiar with the work sharing functionality in Revit and how that operates, it should be easy like Sunday morning.
I bet. Since we're running out of time, what are some other things you wish people would know about Collaboration for Revit?
I think the biggest thing is the advantages of using BIM360 Team. Because we use BIM360 Team as that central storage location, project teams can use Team to store not only their Revit data, but basically any of their digital data for that project as well. Using the viewer in Team, they can not only view, but they can review, markup, and transfer files in a better way than we have before. Gone are the days where we used FTP sites or just emailing documents back and forth and having those documents live in somebody's inbox. And then as we move towards a more connected product base and start to connect the other BIM360 products to Team, I think we'll have a much better solution and much better connection between the authoring tools and the BIM360 platform.
Well, great. Thank you so much, Chris. It's been great like Sunday morning having you on.
Thank you for having me. Again, if you want to learn more, tell your friends to get with my friends. We can be friends.
Will do. We'll talk to you later. Thanks, Chris. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Now for Connected BIM Mail, where we answer questions from you, our viewers. Our letter this week reads, what is Connected BIM? Isn't all BIM Connected BIM? Thanks for your question. As a quick refresher, BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. BIM is a process where the data surrounding a building project is shared and enhanced at each step. How that data is shared or stored is where the connected part comes in. The main difference between BIM and Connected BIM is utilization of cloud technology. emailing someone a copy of a project may count as BIM, but sharing that model over a cloud collaboration tool would be Connected BIM. If you have a question or feedback for the show, feel free to post them in the comments below or email ep.customer.news@autodesk.com. Be sure to subscribe to the Enterprise Priority newsletter for up-to-date listings of webcasts and live events in your area. That'll do it for Connected BIM News. Please join us next time. To all you Connected BIM heroes, have a great week.